Good morning, children. Welcome to my online session. Today I am going to teach English grammar, chapter number 4, modal verbs. So, there are 9 modal verbs in English language. See, which are they? Let us see. Can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. All these are modal verbs. In this chapter, we are going to focus on two important modal verbs, that is may and might. Why are modal verbs very important? Let us see. It adds information to other verbs. It helps us to ask permission. For example, may I borrow your pen, please? It shows possibility. Example, it may rain, expressing uncertainty. I may visit you tomorrow. Uncertainty means not sure. Expressing probability, India might win the cricket match. It is also not sure. Expressing willingness or refusal. I may help you, willingness. Make request or offer. May I come in? See, in this slide, you can see there is no change. I might, you might, he might, she might, it might, we might, they might. In the same, in the may also, I may, you may, he may, she may, it may, we may, and they may. Usually, verbs may change according to the subject and its number. For example, I write, you write, he writes, they write, she writes. See, we can see in this slide, we will not use yes in the modal verbs, in may and might mostly. She might stay. That sentence is wrong. She might stay. That sentence is correct. We cannot use infinity before may and might. See, the base form of the infinity. Infinity means to go. Here, to is the infinity. See, the cross mark is given on the infinitive to. To go, to study, to speak, that is wrong. Say, you might to go, that is wrong. You might go. She might knows. We never use yes. That is also wrong. She might know. After modal verbs, we do not use s to the verbs. Modal verbs, see another example. She might stay. Might. Yes, we do not use yes. She might stay is the correct sentence. Another examples are given here. See, the base form of the infinity to go, to study, to speak, that is wrong. See, should plus verb. See, I might watch another episode. You may bring a partner to our event. He may have been nervous. She might tell us what happened if we ask her. It might rain this afternoon. We may be invited, but I am not sure. They might go to the beach this weekend. When do we use may or might in English language? To express possibility. See, there is a chance of something being true or something happening. Example, it may rain today. Example, one more example, my father might be going to Surat tomorrow. See, modal verbs may and might. See, here in may, it shows higher possibility. See, a possibility. She may be at home and asking permission. See, may I sit here? See, give permission. Yes, you may go now. Request, may I have the bill, please? Wish, may you both be very happy. But in the might, the probability is less. He might like playing basketball. Permission, see, it's more formal. Might I ask you a question? Suggestion, politely, you must try my cheesecake. Request, more formal. Might I borrow your book? Conditional, see, if you work hard, you might finish it. See, might is used to express possibility. It expresses lesser degree of certainty than may. Certainty means not sure. Okay, sure or not sure. See, I already told in the previous slide, it express might always express a lesser degree of certainty. We use might with a verb, might plus verb. See example, it might rain. See here, rain is a verb. Might plus verb. It is possible that it will rain, but I am not certain, but I am not sure. To form negative sentence, we use might plus not plus verb. Example, we might not get a bus. It is possible that we will not get a bus, but we are not certain. We are not certain means we are not sure. May express a stronger possibility than might. Already I explained this with examples in the previous slide. See, take an umbrella with you. It may rain today. Higher possibility, it may rain today. Leave by 5 p.m. bus. The next bus may not fly today. See, may means more certain, more sure, and might means less certain, not sure. Write the sentences in the correct sequences. This is an exercise of the textbook. Let us see. Here, the sentences are given in the wrong order, wrong sequence. You have to make it correct. See, first one is already given here. If Meera cancels the tuitions, she might get some time to practice athletics. See, second one, already the number is given here. If she practices hard enough, she might perform well in 100 meters race. In this way, you have to make the sentences in a correct sequence and write in the textbook. See here, rewrite the sentences using might. See, one example is given here. It is possible that I will go to a birthday party this evening. See here, I might go to a birthday party this evening. In this way, you have to write the other sentences. Listen carefully and complete the sentence. See here, I might ride the big wheel if I go to the fair. See, one example I will tell you. We might go to the fair if my father comes early. See, match the parts to make complete sentences using might or might not. You can make by might or might not. It's your choice. See, my parents might buy a new house. One example I have given. Thank you and have a nice day.